Yuna woke up.
Lord, I hope that this day will be good.
Daughter, let's come and have breakfast. You might be late for your class.
Okay, Mom.
And they're sitting at the dinner table.
Wait, Mom, where's Dad?
Your father left first and said that their work will start early now.
Okay, Mom. I'm going to be first. Maybe I'll be late in my class.
Okay, my daughter, always be careful.
And Yuna went to school.
Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye, class.
After class, Elaboy and Cyrus went to see their friends Yuna and went home together.
This quarter topic is very difficult.
Yes, you're right, Ellie.
OMG, Elba and Cyrus. I know that our topic is always hard for you.
You know us really well.
Of course. How long have you been friends? Of course, I know you well. Alright, this is our house. I'll go ahead of you. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Unexpectedly, he found his father in their house with the other girl.
Dad, who is the girl with you?
My daughter, I will explain.
Dad, don't explain. I caught you. You cheated on Mom. You cheated on Mom.
While Yuna was scolding her father, her mother Joyce arrived.
What's going on here? Jaron, who is the girl with you?
I am Christian's wife. Why?
While their parents were fighting, he started crying and went to his sister who was in Pasig. After 8 hours of traveling, Yuna arrived at her sister's house.
Sister, can I be here with you first? Why? What happened? Why are you sad? It's just so many bad things happened at home, and it looks like Mom and Dad are going to get a divorce. What?
And Jonah told everything to her sister until he stayed with his sister and was forced to transfer there.
Okay, you can stay here until all of the problems at home are fixed.
Tomorrow.
Yona, come and let's eat. You might be late for class. Okay.
And they sat down and ate.
Just be kind, ha? Especially to those you will meet at the new school you will go to. Okay, by the way, I have to go now. Okay, take care.
And she went to school.
Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye, class.
Bye, teacher.
While Yuna was walking back home, she bumped into a student.
I'm sorry, miss. Are you hurt? No, I'm fine.
I'm Anna, by the way.
I'm Yuna.
Wait, you're one of my classmates, right?
Yes. You're also grade 9, am I right?
Ah, yes. Friends?
Of course, why not? Besides, I still don't know anyone here.
And they become friends. And now, they're always beside each other through class time. Tomorrow.
What is it?
Ah, hi. Does Yuna live here?
Why? Who are you first?
I'm Anna, and I'm her friend.
Just wait, alright. Yona, your friend is here. Coming!
Let's go to school together.
Okay, let's go. But wait, how'd you know that I live here?
I asked everyone that I saw if they know where is your house.
Okay, let's go now.
And they decided to go to their school. While they are walking, they decided to get to know each other better.
Love life, by the way.
Well, now that you mention it, I don't know. That thought haven't even crossed in my mind yet. How about you?
Ah, same. Wait, do you have some old friends or something?
Of course. They're Eliboy and Cyrus. Really? Do you want to get to know them? Besides, I really miss those two. I want to see them.
Hey, why not?
Okay, I'm gonna call them later.
After 3 hours,
Hello, Cyrus?
How are you? Me and Ellie miss you already.
I miss you guys more. By the way, can you go here? Someone wants to be friends with you too.
I'll just tell Ellie.
Okay.
next day, Elaboy and Cyrus arrived at their friend's house named Yuna.
Yuna?
Oh, you're here already? Let's go inside. How are you guys?
We're fine. How about you?
While Luna and Cyrus are catching up, Anna was starstruck, and Anna can't believe that Eloy is so handsome.
Wait, Anna, this is Cyrus and this is Aliboy. Aliboy, Cyrus, this is Anna. Hey guys!
Hello.
Anna Marie had been love at first sight in Eloy, but Anna didn't know that Eloy had his eyes and heart to someone else, and it's none other than Yuna, and the same to Yuna.
Yuna?
What is it? Can you help me be friends with Aliboy? I really like him. The first time I saw him, already know that he's the one. I can feel it.
After Anna said those words, Yuna fell silent and just forced a smile and said,
Sure. Why not? Really? Thank you so much, Yuna.
Yuna kept her words and helped Anna to be close with Ellie, but at the same time, slowly hurting herself at the process.
Can you tell Aliboy that I'm gonna take him out? We'll just eat at a restaurant. Sure, why not? Thank you so much, Yuna. Ali, Anna told me to tell you that you two will go out and she will say something important.
Sure.
After 5 hours, Anna and Eloy got ready for their date.
Ellie, let's go.
Anna and Eloy arrive at the restaurant while they are eating. Eloy remembered that Anna wants to say something important.
Anna, I just wanna ask, what do you want to tell me? By the way, you mentioned it earlier. What is it?
I just wanna say that when I first saw you, I immediately in love with you. I love you and I want to be with you always.
Anna, I'm sorry. I really love you, Anna, but only as a friend, and there is nothing more than that. I love you as a friend because first of all, you are a good person, understanding, and most of all, you appreciate and things around you. I hope you understand me, and I hope our friendship will not change.
He hugged Anna while she cried. The next day, Eloy called Yuna and told her to come of her house.
Hello, Yuna, can you come to our house later?
Sure, why not?
Wait, are you crying?
No, I'm not crying.
After a few minutes,
Hello, is anyone here?
Why? Oh, Yuna, what are you doing here?
Hi, Uncle. Aliboy told me that I came to your house because he just wanted to tell me something.
Come in. Eloy, Yuna is here.
Hi, Yuna.
Aliboy, what do you want to tell me?
Eat at the restaurant later.
Huh? Why me?
Cause I like you.
Huh?
Do you know that we have loved you since childhood? Because you are the type of person who see kind, smart, and doesn't just give up the on trial. That come your day.
How about Anna?
I explained everything to him that I love you and will be you forever and ever.
they hug each other and cry because they didn't know that they felt the same. The end.